Subscribe to new link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to new link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. New links, top vlogger. Big up new links cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. And you don't know, so they attacking burst there. New link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. So viewers and subscribers, headline news, breaking news, you understand? And it is where them say 14 Jamaicans, including male and female, were found, you understand, on a boat over in Pompano Beach, over in Florida, my people. Well, on a real level, my people, see, we have seen a part of the video clip where the news people ended, and it's where one of the Jamaican man speak people. And him tell the reason why him decide to flee Jamaica, go to the Bahamas and take that dreadful and that deadly trip over into the United States. So this is what he got to say.
Fear killing going on over there. Really want to live, want a better life. No life is in Jamaica right now.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you heard what this man say, right? Him decide on why he want to leave Jamaica, people, because Jamaica is really rough. And too much killings in Jamaica. Well, on a real level, my people, on a real point of scale. And if it's that the real reason in I'm art why I'm left people, I can't blame him. Zine, I have seen where a lot of people, including Jamaicans, are bashing these people. And I pass a bag of remarks about them. I said them this and that and why them left them country and them this we get catch and this and that. And honestly, my people, I could never say something like that out of my mouth. See? Because when a person want better, see, he might go out there for better. And I don't see what them do wrong. Honestly, my people, if them decide to come so boom, reach over to the Bahamas, because me know them not go over there so free people and decide to take that boat and go over there. It's illegal, of course, me know. See, I don't like me, I tell them to go come so boom and do that, people. But what? Them are go for your better life. See? You never catch them or do something wrong where you catch them with guns, you catch them with dogs, you catch them with something. They are going for a better life. So honestly, people, where me see other people have bashed them and I said this and I said that, me could have never said that, my people. Honestly, I could have never said that. See? And me attack truth, people. Honestly, if them did decide, say, in a real level and a real point of scale, them are left Jamaica, if you go over there so for better people, if you go work, you understand, find a job and take care of them people back home. Boy, I'm sorry they didn't get catch. Yes, it's reality. You wanna like it, not like it, but at the truth, me say, if they did decided that, they might take that trip, because people, it's not an easy trip them taking up. It's not an easy trip. See, go upon them, what something the people have figure. Enough people try them trip there, what? Them never find them back. See, them never hear about them yet. See, they don't go here to them, they try to take that route and take that trip figure reach over their people. That's the only telling them get, but them never hear the outcome of it. See, so upon a real level, my people, me feel aware. You know what I mean? If them did go for a better life, if them decide, say, you know what, we take that trip to go over there and, you know, sadly, them get catch. See, they get caught, people. And the man say, Jamaica rough with this and that and that and that. But, boy, only Jah sees and he knows. See? Well, you don't want to happen, people, them maybe, they have them in a custody, you know, so them have them in a custody, immigration and this and that, then you go, yes, then comes a boom, send them back home and this and that. No long them are going to keep them from a people. But this is not nothing new. There's a lot of people who do these things, see? A lot. And every country where you can think of in this world, people, see? You will find people from there going for better life. See? You will find people going for better life. So, as I said before, I now go celebrate and happy for a man downfall, people. I could never do that. See, it's a downfall. See, because in the end, people, the man say I go for better. And too much killing at Jamaica and him can't manage it, people. And if I that him say in a heart, because me I work with what him saying to people. See, because me you know, if what him say, if I that really in a mindset, because a man can say one thing and it's a different thing in my praise. See, but based on what him say, people, see, me I work with what him say, and me I say, boss, if I that really, you know, you want to go for better and you get the chance and you decided and you want to take that dreadful trip, well, me who do, see, now you decide you want to do it, people. Who the man they get through and go, you know what I mean, and go get them better life. It's reality. People want better. Them go for better. And this is the same thing, you know, what that I was saying to somebody, you know. You say sometimes you may sit on your feet, Zane, and you just expect the things to come to you. But you have to go out there sometimes. You have to, you know, as I say people, I'm not going to say what them do. It's right and the right move they make people. But what? A lot of people around the world are do it. Zane, I'm not going to tell the man to do it. But it's not an easy trip. Them have to pay money. Zane, for reach this, for reach Bahamas, and for reach over there. So they have to pay money, people. It's dreadful. It's risky. But they decided that, look, you know, them are going to take the trip, people. And, but what? Sadly, they get caught and them so what people, it both manage to hit. A certain boat hitting, you know. A something it hitting, and that's what comes because them almost bust it. Them reach over there in Florida. They reach over the people, but boy, all when them see them, the people that come down, people them, you know, how they must feel. If you know, so you take that trip there from Jamaica, if you reach over 242, and when you come so boom down from the 242, and if you go reach over there in the States, and just they say reach that point now where only Jah sees and he knows. Wow. Eh? But my people, on a real level, the man say, killing the Jamaica and the rough, and him a run. You understand? Him a run, and that's the reason why him decided, say, yo, him a take that trip there and leave Jamaica. When I saw a news, you know, yesterday, and it is said, them say, a brother who is an American citizen, in the go to Jamaica upon ship, and he managed to come to boom and run off, and them find him in one area in a Kingston. You understand? They say him there for maybe 2 years now stay, and them hold him, immigration Jamaica, hold him, and them deport him back to the United States of America. So, as I say, people have different reasons for know why they want to go to another country. This man said he must run from the crime and the violence in Jamaica. That is why he decided to come to But sadly, people, he must go back in it. Because him get catch. You know what I mean? He got caught, people. And as I say, me not go celebrate, me not feel happy. Me see a lot of people are passing much remarks about them and this and that. But the man talk short, man. It's rough. See? And if you not heart him say I run from the crime and this and that or something, people, you know. But what me I go say still, you know, if them suppose them conduct some investigation upon them now and they find out that they are involved in something or they do something and I run from something, they so dog them supper. Because me say, people, I'm working with what he said based on that point. But me not go say at that 100% in a mindset because I'm in a trouble now with people in which I say certain things, so maybe them I go have look at leniency upon him and look at this, but this is American. It's not leniency upon nobody. It's not partial, nobody, especially when it come on to you, nobody, you understand, I'm Mexican. No, sir. So in the end, boy, so if you say no, Papa, but dog never supper, so you go, you understand, but you know, sad me sorry the name get the bus, you know, and go, yeah man, go make some money and take care of the people, what you mean? Me sorry the name get the bus, but I just say go, me is one blogger, the attacking boss, and I would never celebrate. Me say people are celebrate, me say blogger are celebrate, me say people, but I can't celebrate this. You see, yeah, me never take it illegal and reach me there, no, me never do that, but as me say people, I'm not celebrating for no one downfall. The man say I go for better, him say I run for something, and this is, you know, something you can't celebrate. Some people, big up on themselves, man, they don't know, so they attacking Basta and New Link from New Link Production, and just more love my people, more respect, and more blessings. Thanks to the love, people, thanks to the support, thanks to the like, thanks to the share, thanks to the comment, them my people. You understand, yo, and me appreciate you all on a daily basis. Remember, my people, follow me on Instagram, New Link _production official. Follow me on Facebook, New Link Production, attacking boss with the H people. Follow me on Twitter, New Link Production. Because remember, other people, a lot of video when me have, I can't post. See? Over here, on you. Over there, so now if you link me through IG. So, you don't know the thing on my people. Big up on yourself, enough respect, enough blessings, and I just more love in the people. And more respect. Fully attack. Big up. Peace out.